Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x8007001E, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. Now, if this helps, well and good. If this doesn't help straight away, use the script. I will share it in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, search for command prompt, click on Run as administrator and paste it here. This script will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will rename the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock, and then it will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.